So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So in this video I'll be sharing my self-given analysis of NICL Assistant Prelims 2026. So mine was shift 2. So as you all know, the sequence was English, reasoning and quants. So the first section was English. So and these are some of the answers that I remember. I think this is from close test. There was a passage which was regarding a girl, farmer and lion. Okay, so there for one blank I marked as grew as answer. So it was starting with like admiration, dash into love. The options were like turning, grew, then okay, some other options were also there, but grammatically this was the one which was fitting there. Okay, then one was arrived. Okay, then was collecting. It was talking about the girl. She was collecting firewood there, so something it was there. So this was the blank there, and one was chased. So this was the last blank, and roaring. One was agreed, and this is, I think, fill in the blanks. Okay, so we have to change if there is a correction needed. If not, we have to mark no changes required. Okay, so this was regarding the tree where monkey was living bore variety of fruits. So I think that was the question. So here I marked it as no arrangement required, because one more option was there. It was talking about there grew, okay, the tree where a monkey was living grew several variety of fruits. So like that it was there, but in the end I thought this will be the correct suit there. Okay, then this is the usage of the word play in multiple sentences. Okay, I marked all as answer, so do let me know what you have marked there. And this was another, yes, this was passage, so it was a blank. I marked it as captured. I was having confusion between the captured and noticed. In the end, for that context, I thought captured will be the perfect answer, so I marked this. You can see this farmer caught camel, so they asked the synonym for that. Okay, then according to the passage, which of the following will be the opposite of deep? So these were the options: shallow, shrill, superficial, facile, narrow. Here actually I was having confusion between this one and this one, but in the end I marked facile as answer. Current now also I don't know which one will be the correct answer. I think this will suit there, but according to the passage I'm not sure which one will be the correct answer. So do let me know if any of you know the answer for this. And this was, I think, blank, or no, that is sentence correction needed, so like that. Okay, so I marked on the way home. Remaining two questions were there, but currently I don't remember them. And these questions we have to identify the incorrect from some sentences, and the correct word from others. Sorry, not the not sentence, just we have to find out the spellings. Okay, correct spellings. So one was like breakfast, so there they have said we have to find the incorrect from the following options. And this is creamy, then this is canon, and this is rubber. So that's it with the English section. I only remember those questions. For regarding the error detection ones, I think I marked two questions as all of the options were correct, and one I think I marked something, I don't remember them. If any of you know any other answers which I haven't discussed here, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so coming to the level of the English, it was exactly resembled the RBI assistant prelims level. Okay, then now this is the reasoning section. So one question from miscellaneous one I marked you as answer. So that question is like, you have to, they had given one word, one word. Okay, so we have to arrange that in the alphabetical order. So later we have to find the second letter from the right hand. So there I was getting you. Then forward backward pair, in the pair formation I got 2 as answer. Then one was like sitting arrangement north facing, so this is a sequence I got. Do let me know in the comment section what was the sequence you got. Okay, see, the conditions are like A was sitting second from the end, and some more conditions were there. Okay, so we got two possibilities, one was ruled out in the final. Okay, and this is the puzzle this is okay, stack based. So this is the answer I got. Do let me know if this is correct or not. Okay, and there was a comparison based puzzle, sitting arrangement, so that is FEACBD. This is the sequence I got, and this is parallel row sitting arrangement, SRPQBCDA. I guess this is correct because it was very easily doable. Then three syllogism questions were there, all were easy, and this is inequality questions. So three questions, I think one I got as neither nor, one is either or, and one was only two. Then a direction distance, so I think this was the diagram I got there, but I don't remember the exact uh, data now. So there were three questions based on this, it was very easily doable. Okay, then this was a miscellaneous one, like um, we have to take the word the element which is fourth from the fourth or seventh from the left, then the fifth number from the right hand, we have to multiply that. So I got the answer as 20, and this one I think from comparison based, or I don't know, but I got this. I guess this is from the reasoning section only, so if not, do let me know. And yes, coming to the level of the reasoning section, so it was also easily doable since there was no blood relation included in this section, so it was on easier side only. But this comparison based puzzle, I took a lot of time because I was having confusion, because this one comparison based, right? I guess. Okay, so I was having confusion between, I think, CB, but they have clearly mentioned in the points there. I mean, B is only 1 kg, sorry, D is only 1 kg less than, or B is only 1 kg more than D, and all the weights were in the whole numbers, that is in even whole numbers. So, like that, they have mentioned. So, the questions were a bit tricky. I mean, it was on easier side, but still, we have to give some time for that in order to choose it. Okay, so that's it. And coming to the quant section, this was very calculative. So as yeah, I even appeared for the previous NICL assistant prelims exam, and also I wrote the mains examination. So the quant section, that time also it was on tougher side, I mean it was on a calculative side. This time also it came like that only. Okay, so this is the answer that I got for age based question. I think the question was like the ratio between A and B is B after 2 years will be 5:3, and they had given the average age of both of the people. Uh, After 10 years, it will be 19. Okay, and the final answer will be 63. Then boards and streams. Um, yeah, I don't remember the question now, but the answer I got here will be 5 hours 30 minutes. And SI question, it was very easy, so they had given some interest, and with the principal, that too for I think 7 years, we have to find the rate of interest. Okay, then the partnership, I guess this is the answer that I got. Then I don't remember for which question I got this, maybe salary question. Okay, then there was one question regarding the train based. For this also I got the answer, but I don't remember what was the answer there. Then yeah, one was regarding the average, they had given the average age of both boys and girls. So in that um sorry, I don't remember the question now, but it was also on easier side, it was not that difficult. One was like mensuration based, a question was that they had given the area of yeah, the area of the square is 56.25 more than that of the area of the circle, or the circumference of the circle, and later they asked what will be the area of the square, I guess. Okay, Then this is the mixture and allegation problem. So the mixture consists of a 40 liter. So in there some amount of milk is removed and some amount of water is added, and finally they had given the ratio after removing that. Okay, and we have to find the initial mixture, I guess. Okay, then the profit loss. So here they had given the amount which that yeah, the amount after giving the discount. Okay, and they had mentioned that there is a loss of 23 percentage or 10 15 percentage, and we have to find the cost price, so something like that. But I didn't read the question properly because I gave most of my time in this di only. In this di, the one question was very lengthy. Actually, I gave a lot of time there and I wasted it. Okay, and see, this is the rough sketch, I mean rough idea, like how actually the di came. So here they had given the months, different months from April to July, and there were two people. Sorry, it, I mean, this di was mentioning that they had given the adult and children. Maybe this is in the town. Okay. mm, then only two questions were lengthy, but rest it was on doable side, but it took a lot of time. Okay, there were three questions in the case rate. I think it was on like salary based or partnership based one. Okay, then there was five wrong number series questions, so I think it was also on like lengthier side. That's why I didn't attempted them. And 10 to 12 simplification questions. So okay, it was also on doable side, but I don't know why this time I took a lot of time to solve even these simple questions also. Maybe because of not practicing regularly. Okay, so that's it. And coming to my overall attempts, in English section I attempted 29 questions, in reasoning I attempted 35 questions, and in quant